Evaluating CreditSaint credit education requires a thorough understanding of the program and its components. To begin, it is essential to understand the purpose of credit education, which is to provide individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to manage their credit effectively. First, review the CreditSaint program to determine its credibility and reputation. Check if the program is accredited by a reputable organization and if it has received positive reviews from users. Next, assess the content of the program, which should cover key concepts such as credit reporting, credit scoring, and credit management. The program should provide practical examples and real-life scenarios to illustrate these concepts and make them easier to understand. It is also crucial to evaluate the teaching methods used in the program. Look for interactive and engaging methods, such as videos, quizzes, and games, that make learning fun and effective. The program should also provide opportunities for users to practice what they have learned and receive feedback on their progress. In addition, consider the qualifications and experience of the instructors or educators providing the credit education. They should have expertise in credit management and education, and be able to communicate complex concepts in a clear and concise manner. To get the most out of the CreditSaint program, it is recommended to set clear goals and objectives for what you want to achieve. This could include improving your credit score, reducing debt, or learning how to manage your credit effectively. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can effectively evaluate the CreditSaint credit education program and determine if it is right for you. Remember to always prioritize credibility, content, and teaching methods when evaluating any credit education program.